Okay, everybody, it is day one of the Hobie BOS on Lake Sam Rayburn. I just got to my spot. Took me about 50 minutes to get here. It's a pretty long kick, even with the old Newport. It was a long ride. My biggest concern today is going to be service. And then there's lots of big boat tournaments going on right now on the lake. It's supposed to rain all day today. There's some bass jumping. These bass are up shallow. Probably could not be a better time to be on Rayburn right now. Alright guys, that's what we want. It's not a great big one, but it looks like a buck bass. He will do though. Choked that chatterbait right at the dang boat. Okay guys, first Hobie BOS, Sam Rayburn fish, 15 1/4. Let's make sure we got a good photo. Looks like we did, 15 1/4. All right, get out of here, buddy. Alright, fish number dose. Not a big one, but again, we will measure. Okay, 14 inches. Okay, 13 inches. He's a very big one.
Just 13. Better than 13.
What a crap show that just was. That is definitely a call, kids. Not a great one, but closed. 15 1/4, guys. That's an upgrade. I don't think helped me any. Oh, what the ever-loving French toast just happened. Okay, everybody, my GoPro SD card got full, so I'm doing this on my phone. It is the end of the Hobie BOS on Sam Rayburn day 1. I put up like 74 inches and change today. Not a good day, not how I'd been fishing in practice. MLF tournament going on, local derby, high school tournament. I have had bass boats on top of me all day long, and it poured, and I mean poured this morning from early until mid-morning, and I am absolutely soaked. So kind of glad this is the end of day 1. We're going to get out here tomorrow. Anything can happen, you know. Maybe I can make up for it a little bit tomorrow. I'm probably going to go to a different spot tomorrow than where I am today. So we'll see. Tight lines.